Hello, this is Adrian Jr. of Sin City Outdoors, and today we're hunting with my good friend Matthew.
How's it going?
So our main target today is Cottontail, just the Cottontail Rabbits. Quail's also open, dove's open, and of course if we see some blacktails we're going to shoot at them too. So you guys like my new truck? Testing it out. It's 4x4 and it has 4 low. Thing can go over anything. So.
Welcome to Sin City Outdoors! Fishing, hunting, and the great outdoors.
Hurry up.
They're endangered, so I'm trying to help them out here. I'm gonna take him way out in the desert so he doesn't get hit. Little turtle. Ugh.
Hey, hold up. Got him. Weapon on safe. Alright, so this is the first kill of the day. We were moving along these bushes and we spotted this one just kind of running through, and we were able to get a shot off of him as he was going through these bushes. But this is the first one of the day. Great way to start, and we're gonna get moving on and see if we can get some more. Get online. A little slower, a little slower. Just saw something. Ah, you mo. He's gonna pop out. Get ready. There he is. There he is. He's in that bush. Cotton.
I kicked that bush twice.
Is that a pygmy? I don't think those are pygmies. That one might actually, because pygmies are the smallest species of rabbit.
Oh, it does look like a pygmy, huh? But is it pygmy season?
Yeah, pygmy.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know if it's a pygmy though. It looks like it.
Alright, so
We just came up on this rabbit. I saw him. I was like, rabbit, so I went up on an elevated spot and my dad was walking through there. Kicked the bush probably about 2-3 times, didn't run. It finally bolted, so got some shots. Nice little rabbit. Cottontail.
look, a tarantula.
Oh snap.
We've been seeing a lot of wildlife today. Look at that thing. Just jump.
Overall, we had a good day. As you guys can see, it's a bit dark now, so we have to end the day. And right when it started getting dark, I saw this dove flying around, so threw in a dove around and shot him. So we got a rabbit. We both got a rabbit each. One cottontail, and he got a
Jackrabbit.
Yep, a jackrabbit and this dove. So overall, pretty good day. So we're gonna be doing a couple giveaways on my Instagram page because we're gonna try to grow some followers. So look out for some of those. We'll let you guys know when. My Instagram is Sin City Outdoors.
So yeah, we had a pretty successful day. Had a lot of fun out here. We saw a lot of activity. It was tough to kind of get these cottontails because as you would move through the bushes, they would basically be spooked by then. You wouldn't have enough time to react. But overall, pretty successful day, and we had a great time out here.
So thanks for watching, and I'll see you outdoors.